Individually, a prehistoric human was vulnerable, but united, they were a force to be reckoned with. The tribe was everything. It was a complex web of relationships, responsibilities, and shared purpose. Elders imparted wisdom, adults hunted and gathered, and children learned the vital skills needed for survival. Cooperation was not an abstract concept. It was a fundamental necessity. A lone hunter stood little chance against a mammoth, but a coordinated group, employing cunning strategy and shared effort, could bring down even the mightiest beast. Defending territory, raising children, sharing resources, these were all endeavors that demanded collective action. This tribal unity wasn't just about survival. It was the very genesis of human society, the first stirrings of community, empathy, and collective identity. Their strategies were honed by countless generations, passed down in stories, in gestures, in the very rhythm of their lives. The vast gulf of time separates us from these ancient ancestors, yet their struggles resonate within us still. The drive to innovate, to adapt, to connect with others. These are not merely modern traits, but echoes of a primeval past. How then did they endure? Their secret lay not in brute strength, but in an unparalleled capacity for ingenuity. Observe the hunter. Their understanding of animal behavior was profound, a silent language of tracks, scents, and subtle movements. They learned to anticipate, to outwit, to become part of the very ecosystem they sought to conquer. Then came fire. A discovery so profound, it can only be described as a leap in human evolution. No longer were they solely at the mercy of the elements. Fire offered warmth against the biting cold, light to pierce the oppressive darkness, and a beacon of safety against the prowling predators of the night. But its impact stretched far beyond mere comfort. Cooked food unlocked greater nutritional value, fueling larger brains and more complex thought. The communal fire became the heart of the tribe, a place for sharing stories, for crafting tools in the glow of the embers, for forging the bonds that held them together. It was the first true step towards controlling their environment, a tangible manifestation of human will against the indifferent forces of nature. With fire, the night was no longer a realm of pure fear. They were not kings or conquerors, but survivors, clinging to existence by the strength of their will and the sharpness of their minds. This is the saga of prehistoric humans, a journey into the crucible of creation, where the weak perished and the strong forged a path for all who would follow.